Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. In this video, we look at top websites and apps to watch Western TV shows and movies without VPN. Let's check it out.
So back home, we'd stream TV and movies a lot of times on Netflix or Hulu, but they aren't available or are difficult to access here in China. The good news is that in China they offer a lot of different varieties of streaming sites, especially for TV and movies, such as
Tencent QQ Video is a video app program that allows you to watch movies and TV shows here in China, very similar to how Netflix works. It's produced by Tencent that also produce WeChat, and it's a very easy, straightforward app to use, and there's a lot of features in there that are free. It's available for your computer, tablet and phone, and we'll put links below for how you'll be able to get access to Tencent QQ Video.
RenRenShipin is a great free app that you can get on Android phones and maybe Apple phones, I'm not quite sure. And I'll put a link below for you to be able to get the APK. And basically it allows you to watch TV shows from all over the world: China, Korea, Japan, the UK, America, and many other Western countries. Youku is basically the Chinese equivalent of YouTube. It has a whole host of clips that are uploaded by users, from singing to TV show clips to actual full TV shows and movies. It also does a lot of streaming for sports events as well. So IQIYI is a video streaming service here in China that you can gain access to on your PC or mobile device, cellular device via an app. It's very similar to Netflix. In fact, it's super similar because they license some of the Netflix shows, and it's the only video streaming service that I know in China that does that. It's very easy to use. It is all in Chinese, but I'll show you how we can navigate that.
You can often watch movies and TV episodes for free on these different sites, with the caveat of sitting through like a 30 to 60 second trailer or so.